to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne came out and he's speaking about Kris. He's talking about that he is happy, what is basically going on, and that he is now saying that Kris came out allegedly and said that he, Dwayne, was dying. However, Kris is the one that is having that issue. And there was a post he was saying that was on some page that was saying that Kazem is popping prep to avoid contracting the disease. So, guys, go ahead and go hear what Dwayne has to say about this. He also said that Donna came out on her page and said that nothing is going in her bum. So, yeah, she would have been referring to him. So, guys, go catch the video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, happy birthday! And I wish you prosperity, peace, and joy beyond your measure. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my followers, my friends, and my subscribers, whoever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful day today.
On love come cock on a big stinking antenna. I hear the things we have to say about on the nasty people. You understand? Yes, girl, that part. But broken bet, Miss Jane, how do you feel? I hope now, you know, me feel like say that fucker should be cancelled. Based on everything he's done to date, he should be cancelled. Right? But I feel like say Kris hangs up her phone. Oh, Kia hang up her phone on 13 and cause of yes, the back said me hear about it, my lord God. But you know, listen, that wig, you see Tina Chin is funny as shit. Tina Chin, listen, that wig that Tina Chin put on about 13. Tina Chin, let me tell you, the wig on 13's head, it is Photoshop, right? It's not real. 13 cannot afford a good wig. So I think it was one of Grace's people. One of Grace's people, they Photoshop a wig on 13's head, and they also Photoshop the earrings in her ears, right? It's not real, right? So I don't know what 13 thinks. 13, go on 13 until you can come out and show yourself. Shut up, and tell the people in that picture you have on your page, it is Photoshop by one of Grace's ex. What do you call it? What Grace kind of people again? Grace kind of people nationers. It was done by one of Grace's nationers. Yes, it was done by one of Grace's nationers. So 13, Teen Chin. You know, I love how you made fun of that damn freaking picture. It was funny. Oh God! I swear to God, it is so flippin' funny. I'm not lying. I freaking laughed. Social media I really miss social media. I'm telling you, I really miss it. But guys, I'm going for a lot of shit right now, and I can't be on here as freaking as I want right now. But I promise you, give me till maybe tomorrow or maybe the following day at best, and I'll be back. I promise you. Majesty, I'm so happy you are getting a dose of your own medicine. Bear in mind, you had the nerve to come out and say, I doing fetcher, I trending drama. Someone told you that I am. In fact, no, you implied I had the big A. Well, now Kia's public saying she knows for a fact you have it, and Kazim is out here popping prep because he don't want to catch it from you. Imagine. You see, everything that this man has said about me out here, it was always him who's going for these things. Imagine he had the nerve to say, oh, someone told him that I might be dying, and when I'm dead. Don't you see? This man, I know he wishes I was in his position, but I'm not, Majesty. You are in your own predicament. And trust me, any day you die, I'm going to come out and want to fucking celebrate. I say, yes, that bitch is dead. I promise you. Majesty, I will never like you. You really are an evil fucker. And people like you, I would never want to associate myself. I don't know what was the reason why I felt compelled to associate with people like you or Donna or any of you, because I know for a fact I'm better than all of you. Me, the cripple, me, the disabled young man, I'm a better human being for all of you put together. And I'm not asking you. I know a lot of you will disagree with me, but let's agree to disagree at this point. For me, I'm going to say I'm better than all of them, but I know you guys are going to say otherwise. But who am I to judge you? I'm not going to judge you. So I don't expect any of you to come in here and judge me either, right? But Majesty, I'm glad what's happening to you right now. I did say Ashanti was going to come back out here and cuss you out. I see. We have it today. You got cussed out today. Why you got cussed out? Because they don't like you. They will never like you, Majesty. They only tolerated you because you was close to Donna. And for Donna, she want to come class you and talk to, now going on bottom, all them something there. What a blood clot. Oh God, no sir. Hey, people, social media is so funny. I love social media. I love this shit. I swear to God, I love social media. Oh my God. Hey, listen, I'm speaking for myself. I don't know why many of you come in here because you don't like me. I know for a fact you don't like me. You only come in here because I feel like say, I need you. I don't, listen, let me tell all of you this. I don't need any of you. I actually don't, okay? If you don't like me, don't come on my page because let's be real. I'm not on here looking money like your people. They need social media money. I don't. And when I said that, I'm say that shit with a full chest too. Me can go to my mom and say, Mom, I need £20,000. My mom is going to give it to me. How many of you can attest and say your mother will give you £20,000? Yes, alone take a 15 plus thousand and go buy your car. Get out of here. I've always been blessed. I'm a blessed child by Maureen and Frank Fletcher, okay? At the time, Mr. and Mrs. Fletcher, I'm a blessed child of both of them. So know what you guys thought about me, but because you guys know I was going for my predicament, you guys felt like me, and many of you are in the same category. I've always told you people, a lot of you on here, I'm not your, you are not my mate. I'm not your mate. And when I say that shit, I really meant it. Yes, but I'm gonna say a lot of these people they bring out the worst in you. So they by you going so low, they think you and them are in the same category. And I want to tell you, we're not. We were never in the same category. And even if I died tomorrow, even in death, you guys will not be in the same category as me. And that's the truth. Anyways, Miss Broken Back, Miss Jane, how do you feel over there, girl? Are you happy? Z, my girl, I want baby, oh my God. Oh, and by the way, let me, a lot of you love to, today I'm gonna go Mixup Queen. I'm gonna give you guys a scenario. Look at how hypocritical these people are, right? So I went over to Mixup Queen today. I don't know why I went over to Mixup Queen. In fact, no, a post from Mixup Queen popped up on my page, right? So I tapped into it. When I tapped into it, I read the post, and it was someone. It was Kia replying to a comment that someone made on her page. Okay, and the comment said, "Oh, this person has a big A, whatever." And then now the people in the comments are dragging this person, and then now they have the nerve to say, "Oh, sickness is not meant for whatever." Go read the comments for yourself. I mean, look at all of these hypocrites. Most of these planks, they love to cuss me and call me cripple. They love to cuss me and call me all kind of nasty things. Say, "Oh, stroke soon, lick me down again." They tell me all of these things. And here was some of them on that post defending Kris. And Kris too has said he like in one of these days, basically him saying, "No, I'm dropping from my live stream too." That him say. In layman's terms, he said he wanted me to drop that on my live stream too. And look at all of these flipping hypocrites defending someone who wished me bad because they know the things I've endured. And some of these planks too, they themselves too have cursed me out for my brain tumor and my stroke, whatever. They cussed me out for those things too. So I'm like, okay. But what I saw today, it solidified to me that these people are really what we call shit. Let's just say shit. And I'm not saying the people are shit. I'm just saying that because of the situation. Let's just say shit. It tells me that many people. I've always said that a lot of you on here are like lizards, and I really meant it because today it proved to me how much my words they resonated with with everything that happened today when you guys are on Mixup Queen's page defending him and speaking about sickness. But many of you, the same people, I saw one on even when I call it, but even that one was used to cuss me because cuss me because of my brain tumor and cuss because of my stroke. And I look at all of you on here, flipping hypocrites. You see Plank Nation, you see most of you planks. I'll never like it. I swear to God, based on everything that's happened today, I will never like you people. And if you really do call yourself a plank, or if you call yourself a roy or whatever, just know you are my enemy and I'm your enemy. And that's it. And, you know, one thing I do know, it's never too late for showering. It is never too late for showering. And here is another day. Here is another day I can say, yes, Lord, I got another shower of rain. Where these people, they know how it feels when the shoe's on their foot. Yes, and I'm very happy. I'm flipping happy. I'm flipping happy. I swear to you, I'm very happy this happened to this damn Kris. It's more. Listen, people need to go a bit further. Go further. Drag him down. Bring him down to nothing. Make him cry for his dead father. Make him cry for his dead mother. Make that bitch cry. Make him fucking cry. He deserves it. Majesty, I don't like you. I'm not obligated to like you. You know, even when he was in America, the things he said about me, bear in mind, all the only thing I said about you is that I know for a fact I've seen you with my own two eyes promoted people on here to curse people. And when I came to the live stream, what I saw happen on the live stream was exactly what was happening. People was being cursed and people was being dragged. Even people's daughters were being dragged. I saw you did those things. I told no lies on you. Anything I said about you was the truth. And you took to your YouTube and you had the most of it. Why you drove out America. You drove out America and you was there dragging me. And I look at this fool. But I know for a fact you wanted me to come out here and curse with you and to make me look bad. I told myself this time you nor any of you will get that flipping satisfaction. I just know I took back my damn power and I'm living for me, myself, and I'm not living for you, Donna, none of you. I'm living to please myself and myself alone. Anyone who's for me, you're for me. If you're not for me, okay, great. Go back to your damn business. It is okay too. Like, bear in mind, I'm always going to tell you people, like, not everyone comes into this world is going to like us. It's okay if people don't like you. And just hold on to those who like you. And the ones who don't like you, okay, let them go. And that is where I am. Right, Majesty? I'm so happy what's happening to you right now. I'm telling you, I'm so happy. I'll never forget the things that you said about me on your live stream, on YouTube when he was in America. I'll never forget it. And your nasty bitches was in that comments dragging me. And look at these people. If only they knew that the type of person you were, the type of person you are, they will understand how evil and manipulative and calculated you are. But man, I'm always gonna tell you this too. It's only because I didn't want problems why I never came out here and said more things about you, you know? Because trust me, I could have said a whole lot. Shit, I could have even pulled for people from TikTok come and speak about you. But I said no, let others do the bidding for me. And if I do feel them to come out here and speak about it, then I'm gonna do so. Just know, Majesty, I'm winning. I won, okay? I won. Whether you have 25,000 people on your page or not, I don't care. I won. You're all losing. I'm telling you, the world on a flap. Me flap on a flap too. Shit, on a flap already as we speak on his flopping. It's only because I see that you really are flopping. Even Donna too. Donna herself is flipping flopping too. Federica, my girl, wow, I'm so sorry. I didn't see you. Federica, I'm so sorry. Federica, I'm gonna come. I'll be back on maybe YouTube tomorrow. I'm hoping I'll be back on YouTube tomorrow at some point. I don't know the time frame. Just know I'll be back between tomorrow and Sunday. I'm back out here. Oh, and guys, we are gonna go back over a lot of things that happened in the past, like since when I was not on here. We're gonna go over it. We're gonna have a good time. We're gonna, we're gonna chat your backside. Oh God, Kia, I love Kia. Kia, I love you, my girl. Kia, I don't know you, but I'm glad. I'm glad I'm glad you entered this whole arena. I'm so happy because, it's someone like you we needed a long time ago to come and expose down to this man dirty draws. And I'm very happy that you're doing it for me and doing it for everyone else. And I don't have to say not one word. Majesty, take this to the police too. Take this to the police too. So yes, I'm very happy that people are on social media exposing you and exposing the truth about you. God sits high and looks low. You hear me, Madge? Miss Jane, Miss Liza, Miss Jennifer, Miss Tariano, Christy. God sits high and looks low. And trust me, listen, I'm telling you guys, God loves me. God loves Dwayne Fletcher. I'm not saying God don't love you too, but God loves me more because God sees my heart and God knows I'm a damn good human being. And that is that on that. Shit, my phone is breaking. What the hell? Anyways, guys, I only came on here briefly because I wanted to come on here and gloat and have a good time about what's happening to Majesty. Ashanti, I don't like you and I will never like you, but what I would love for you to do me one more favor. Come back out here this night, you and those plants, and dog out this dirty, stinking ass bitch named Tariano Christie. Dog him out. Class him, class Alan Dead Papa, class everybody, class him, mama, class him, class everybody. Trust me. If someone says, Dwayne, them over there class him, my class him mama, my class him papa, my class all him handball pitting them. Class out them backside. Yes. Class out all him seam and them, class out him pussy wall. Yes, class him Ashanti, class him blood finger. Yes, my boy over there. Thank you. Oh God, if I laugh, it's so funny. I have to laugh. Yes, it's very funny. It is very funny. Madge, are you well over there? Why are you, me realize people, I bet you if this was Tina Chin or if this was me, you'd have seen when I come out long time, I want to come cuss with. But how is it possible? Because I'm Ashanti want to come cuss him don't want to cuss them back. On the seat, Kris only has strength for females. He only has strength for women. I mean, look at me. When me a cripple and them say me a bad man, right? But when man friggin' me or anybody, if want, me come up and say them and dog them out too. So how is it possible him don't want dog with Ashanti them? Is it like I kind afraid or kind knows a Kazim cousin the come on social media and expose out him backside? Oh God. Let's not go back in memory. Let's not go back in history. Oh my God. Imagine! Bad! Bad, just look, bad, get your tongue. To the chin. I hope you're gloating on this one too, my girl. Laugh. You deserve it. And Tina Chin, don't let your heart not be troubled. Tariana cannot sue you. Marion Walters, Kris cannot sue you. Hear me well. Him cannot sue you. Because if him try to sue you, add me down as your and subpoena me as your evidence, because I'm going to come there, I'm going to testify that I saw Kris did a lot of things to your daughter and you came out here to defend your daughter. Majesty, everyone is against you. Tariano, the only people is against you are those fools on your page. And most of them, they want to suck off your shit up body. And then the way I say, if they go so, your body now turn up for them. But let them continue thinking, say, you want them, and they don't say you don't want them. However, Majesty, the only people is with you right now are those fools on your page. Everyone is against you. Even your fucking enemies is against you. Even the people who you think was with you, they've been against you. You just didn't have eyes to see. But yeah, I'm not gonna judge you, Miss Jane over there. Anyways, girls, I love you. Okay, thank you to everyone who was here with me. I hope you guys liked my live stream. I hope you guys gloated with me. I hope you guys shared my live stream too. Thank you so much. And Donna, let me tell you something. Donna, I hope you should have angered like a drunkard. You should have done Donna, as much as I don't like you should have dug out him pussy wall. So listen, he needs money to go and invest in renting a property. So him come out here So come say, oh God, Mo, I want to go away, you're homeless, you need money to go find out. Shut up, you slut dog, shut up. Tariano, shut your big cow pussy mouth up. Bring the part to the police store. Shut your big cow pussy mouth up. Yes. Oh, and while I was in Trinidad, I realized this man love discriminating my